What do ketones in dog urine mean? Have you ever wondered what those ketones in your dog's urine could indicate? Let's break it down in simple terms. When a dog has ketones in their urine, it usually means their body is using fat for energy instead of glucose. This can happen when the dog's cells cannot access glucose properly, often due to a lack of insulin. Ketones are acidic byproducts that, from when fat is broken down for energy. One common reason for ketones in urine is diabetes mellitus. In dogs with uncontrolled diabetes, there is not enough insulin available. This prevents glucose from entering the cells, leading the body to break down fat instead. As a result, ketones build up in the blood and eventually spill into the urine. This condition can lead to diabetic ketoacidosis, which is serious and can be life-threatening. Signs of diabetic ketoacidosis include high blood sugar, ketone buildup, dehydration, nausea, vomiting, and electrolyte imbalances. Another situation where ketones might appear is during prolonged fasting or starvation. Even healthy dogs can show ketones in their urine if they have not eaten for an extended period. The body will turn to fat stores for energy, producing ketones as a normal response. Other metabolic stresses can also lead to ketones in urine. Conditions that increase energy demand or reduce glucose availability can cause this as well. From a veterinarian's perspective, finding ketones in a dog's urine during a routine urinalysis is significant. It often leads to further evaluation, including testing for diabetes and monitoring blood glucose and ketone levels. Early detection is important because rising ketone levels can signal worsening metabolic control and the risk of diabetic ketoacidosis. In a clinical setting, urine testing is straightforward. Veterinarians often use urine dipsticks to detect ketones and glucose. For diabetic dogs, regular monitoring may be recommended to keep track of their condition. If you notice signs like increased urination, vomiting, lethargy, or decreased appetite in your dog, these could accompany ketonuria. It is essential to seek veterinary attention in these cases. If ketones are present due to diabetes, treatment typically involves insulin therapy and supportive care. This helps prevent the progression to diabetic ketoacidosis. In summary, ketones in dog urine usually indicate that fat is being used for energy due to inadequate glucose use, most often linked to diabetes. Their presence is a warning sign that requires veterinary assessment to prevent serious complications.